So here's a very short overview of all the building blocks within CloudFormation. Now we're going to spend a lot of time in this course to make sure that we understand them one by one, but let's have a look at them in detail in this lecture. So we have templates components and they're going to correspond to one course section each. So we have the template format version, which allows you to identify the capabilities of the templates, and by default that is 2010-0909. Description, which gives you comments about the templates. Transform, we're going to see this in a separate section, to specify one or more macros that are going to be used to process a template. Metadata, resources, and this is what we've seen so far, which is how, and this is the only mandatory section actually within CloudFormation templates, which is where you define your logical resources within it. Parameters, to have dynamic inputs for your templates. Mappings, to have static variables for your templates. Outputs, to have references to what has been created. Conditionals, to list, which is a list of conditions to perform resource creation. And rules to validate a parameter during stack creation update. Now, in this course, we are going to view all of them in details and you're going to learn a lot. And on top of this, we have template helpers, and we're going to learn them as we encounter them. So number one is going to be references to understand how to link these logical resources together. And number two are going to be functions as well to transform some inputs within our CloudFormation templates. So as you can see, there's a lot to learn in this course, but we'll have hands-on on all of these and we'll make it as easy as possible. So I hope you're excited. Just a very quick overview, and I will see you in the next lecture.